Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Marita Vernier here. Now, I know you guys are watching this right now and you're in the middle of what I can only describe as anxiety, maybe a little bit of fear. Maybe some of you don't care, I don't know. A lot of you maybe are even taking the whole kind of pandemic scare in your stride. Whatever the case may be, I know that a lot of us now are on lockdown or just about to go into lockdown, as we are now here in the UK. And this is the reason why I wanted to do this video, because I wanted to, number one, just let you know, be safe, be vigilant, wash your hands, and just stay inside, stay indoors. Obviously, you know, if you do need to go out and to get the essentials, or you can at least get a delivery, but if you need fresh air, hey, you know, you can't be locked away inside your house forever. We all get that. But you know, if you do have any of the typical symptoms, then just be safe and you know, take that quarantine seriously. I should know, because I'm coming out of the back end of those very symptoms, and although I've lived to tell the tale, it wasn't nice. So just be safe. That's the number one thing. Number two is, given the current economic position that we find ourselves in at this very moment, I have been stating for the last 2 years how important it is to have a second income, how important it is for you to have something that you can utilize if your life changes, or if life around you changes as it has done now. And now digital creation, digital products and online businesses are one of the few businesses that can survive something like this, because people need this type of information. They're gonna be home, they need to learn, they're gonna get bored, they're gonna go on the internet, and you could be the one that provides them with everything they need whilst they're under quarantine. Not only that, but if for any reason you're in an industry where they're not paying you, like what the really, then something like this could actually boost your income and have you not stress and worry, because you've still got money coming in passively. So I have to stress that is so important, and that is why I've created the Earn While You Leisure bundle. Now, I wasn't going to use this channel to promote anything at all. I really wasn't. I wanted to share information about it from an affiliate marketing position, because there is obviously the option to promote the bundle and earn 15% commission, and that is still open to you. I will put the link down below in the description box. But I also wanted to let you know that you can actually start learning from this. Now, I share a vast amount of information on this channel, and I'm building it up slowly as we go along. But if you can't wait for me to kind of get around to that information, you can learn affiliate marketing, drop shipping. You can learn how to kind of manage your social media, and I also do that as a sideline as well for other companies. So the information I share is from both perspectives, how I've built mine and how I build other people's as well, and how you can kind of stop procrastinating, stop delaying the possibility of having another income. Now, this doesn't mean that you quit your job. It means that you create something in your own spare time, even if just an hour or 20 minutes each night, putting something together and then putting it out there into the internet. And I will always say this as well, the general premise of promoting a digital product or an online business where it's information based, the what and the where is free. Whatever you can tell people where it's supposed to be, what it's supposed to be. You want to create your own. The what and the where is free, but the how, now that's where you make your money, because people need to know the step-by-step process, and for you to put that together is time consuming. So you should be able to then price that and have people actually pay you to learn the step-by-step process from your point of view very easily online. So I'm going to quickly roll through this. So here it is, guys, the Earn While You Leisure bundle. Now this is on special at the moment. It's £5 until the end of March, and March is quickly approaching its very end. For those of you who have already purchased it within the special, I thank you, and you know what, I'm here for you throughout the whole process. So once you've purchased this, you've got me mentoring you through it. It's not just purchase and leave. I want you to succeed. So you've got it. For those of you who haven't, the link is below. Let me just give you a quick overview of it as a product. This is the product page, and this is the product page that you'll see when you click into the link that you'll see below. Now the front page, as you can see right now, it's £5. It does actually go up to £55 on the 1st of April. This is the video that is available for you on the channel, so I'll just give you a quick play of that. Da, 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 da. Gotta love that music. Okay, so that's it as it is. Then we've got just like the explanation of who the bundle is for. So every entrepreneur with an axe to grind over their current bank balance. That cannot be more stated, more obvious and more real right now in the current climate and where we are in this position. For those of you who are not feeling the pinch just yet, if you've got kids and they're now home on quarantine with you, yeah, trust me, you're going to feel it. Not only the time, the effort of homeschooling, and also the money, because they eat a lot. So having some extra income in is a great thing to have. What's included in the bundle, as I said before, you've got all of this: how to increase social engagement, that's an ebook. The class, how to create a one-page website in Canva, I go into more detail in this class. How to combat procrastination ebook. Business walkthrough, that's also a class. How to write your first ebook, a class. How to write killer content fast, a class. How to monetize your website, now that's very important. Passive income with affiliate marketing online course, and the bonus drop shipping, that's also an online course. And that's it, guys. Once you've got that, it will all be delivered to you in 2 separate ways. Some will be available for you on one platform, and others will be sent to you. The link, the PDF will actually open up into a different platform. The separate platform will be Thinkific, where you will get the courses. So that's where all the information will be. It's £5, that's it. Original price after promotion, £55, so please get it while you can. For those of you on the channel who have subscribed to the channel and have then decided to go ahead and actually sign up to my subscription list in my email box, I have got the details, but what you haven't done is you may not have confirmed your subscription, so you might be missing out on the emails that I'm sending. So if you are subscribed, please do go into your email box and just press the confirmation link, and then you'll get all the emails with some of the sort of special discounts that I send out, and just obviously information on what's coming up. I'm doing a live webinar next week where it's question and answers. You can ask me anything, obviously business related, but you have to be on my email subscription box to actually get the link. So sign up now, the link is below, and I will see you in the next one tomorrow. Have a good one, guys, and again, keep safe.